Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to teach you the subject English for class 6th and the topic is A Tale of Two Birds. Today we are going to read the remaining part of this story. Let's begin. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cool water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave," he said to himself aloud. Rakha bacho ye majre yele yus ye hurt emis vacha seten sabdyaw to ye molum karna khatar samkhav ye kis rishis ye clear karna khatar ye wota jay yus ak ये मोइंटन तो ये आक जाय आक उस जंगलस मजन इस आश्रम उस ये आक साधु आक इबादत उस करन पूजा उस करन ये वो तो जाय एम्पत क्या करें कम the king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. एम्पत करें कम या ये में से जो गुर सर उस into at ye kulis gönethen yus at ashramas nazdik was the pan biot kulis shajarsta. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, achanak was him awaz ak but asal awaz not awaz ya when to tahzib yahta awaz etnis iklagis. "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest." Bacha salamat आपका खुश आमदीद है इसमें welcome करान. "Please go inside and rest." बोले अच्छा was अंदर करो was आराम. The rishi will be back soon. Rishi has वाती जल्दी वापस. "There is some cool water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." इस आवाज गई शिमस वनान अच्छा was अंदर. Rishi will be back soon. Rishi वाते जल्दी वापस. तो इसो अंदर अच्छो त्रेश कच्चू त्रेश तो करो आराम. The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. बादशाह तो है को नजर एमुज ये brown color ये जानवर आत कुलिस पैटर्न. He was amazed. बादशाह को हैरान. "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave." This was a too janavar. This Zoran has got never been. He said to himself aloud. He was him cut bacha salamat. Pun upon us, magar baidikaran. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. The barn is at kulis nishan. Ashramas nish school was yet certain ye bacha salamat bihet was pan panasit kat karan ut petkan was hikanan janwara em ditna jawab dunas janab tushu janab sahi wanan. "He is my brother, but he had made friends with robbers." So chimyon boy magar temes log yaran suran sadan. "He now talks as they do." So shiti karan yetam sur karan chu. So stemai kat karan yim yus tadi teman suran ish hechan he doesn't talk to me anymore. Sanashin mean poet kalam karan. Just then the rishi entered the ashram. Emisatan al rishi tsal ashram smazan. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. تِمن بادشاہس ویلکم خوش آمدیٖد پلیٖز کم اِن سایڈ اینڈ میک یور سیلف ایٹ ہوم ؤلِو أژِو حظ اندر تہٕ یہِ زٲنِن حظ تُہۍ پنُن گرٕ یوٗ لُک ٹایڈ ژٕ حظ چھُکھ باسان مےٚ تھوٚکمُت ژٕ چھُکھ کٲفی تھوٚکمُت ریسٹ فاروٲڈ کینٛژس کالس کر آرام دین یوٗ کین شِیر ماے فوڈ اَمہِ پتہٕ کھٮ۪مو أسۍ غذا. The king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. The forest is full of surprises, he said. Badshahan kya won? Ki Badshahan ne mis rishis sari story aman don janavarn hans. Yہِ چھِ أمِس ریشَس وَنان کہِ چوٗنٛکہِ یِم حظ چھِ ہِوی باسان مگر یُس یِہُنٛد ویوہار وَرتاو طور طریٖقہٕ چھِ سُہ حظ چھِ ڈِفرَنٛٹ تہٕ یُس ہَسا یہِ جنٛگلہٕ چھِ یہِ حظ چھِ فُل آف سَرپرایزٕز. The holy man smiled and said, یُس یہِ سادھوٗ اوس ریشی اوس أمۍ ترٛوو مُسکراہٹ وٕٹھ اَسُن تہٕ ووٚننَس after all ٲخٕرکار one is known by the company one keeps. اِنسان سٕنٛز پہچان چھِ یعنی one is known by the company one he keeps. أکۍ سٕنٛز جان پہچان چھِ تٔمۍ سٕنٛز سُہ کمپنی یَتھ سۭتۍ سُہ روزان چھِ. The bird has always heard the talk of robbers. یعنی دوٚیمٮ۪ن الفاظن منٛز وَنو یہِ کہِ اِنسان یِمن سۭتۍ وۄتھِ بیٚہہِ تٔمِس چھِ تِہُنٛدُے سُہ طور طریٖقہٕ سُہ چھُ تِہُنٛدُے طور طریٖقہٕ اپناوان. یعنی اگر سُہ ژوٗرن سۭتۍ وۄتھِ بیٚہہِ تٔمِس چھُ سُہ چھُ ژوٗرٕے بنان. اگر سُہ وۄنۍ جان اِنسانن سۭتۍ وۄتھِ بیٚہہِ تہٕ تٔمِس چھِ جان کالٹی پٲدٕ گژھان تٔمِس منٛز چھِ جان اخلاق پٲدٕ گژھان. یعنی یَتھ سٕنٛدِس صحبتس منٛز اِنسان روزِ تی ہیٚچھِ سُہ. The bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds. یہِ چھِ أمِس وَنان کہِ چوٗنٛکہِ یُس ہُہ بٲرڈ یُس ہُہ جانوَر اوس سُہ اوس ژوٗرَن سۭتۍ وۄتھان بیٚہوان تٔمِس منٛز ٲسۍ تِمَے تاثُرات پٲدٕ گٔمٕتۍ یِم ژوٗرَن منٛز ٲسۍ. یُس یہِ جانوَر چھان ژٕ وٕچھان چوٗنٛکہِ یہِ اوس یَتھ آشرمَس نزدیٖک بَسان تہٕ أمۍ ہیوٚچھ تی یہِ اَسہِ دوہرو یہِ اَسہِ ووٚن تی دوہرو أمۍ تہِ. اِسلیے دَپان کہِ یُس یَتھ سٕنٛدِس صحبتَس منٛز بیٚیہِ تَس لارِ تٔمۍ سُنٛد سُہ صحبتَن ژوٗرَن سۭتۍ بیٚیہِ ژوٗرٕے بَنہِ تہٕ نیک اِنسانَن سۭتۍ بیٚیہِ کانٛہہ سُہ بَنہِ نیکٕے. ٹاٹا بَچو آز گوٚو یُتُے فی امان اللہ.